Okay, so I don't know if you've watched a previous video, what this did look like. I got this window out, I got this wall stripped. I'm making quite a lot of progress. I got all these cupboards out the other day. I'm just doing this a little bit each day before work. Just stripping it down. Gonna replace a bunch of stuff. The windows are good though. I'm keeping the windows. I'm just gonna clean them up, put new seals, new gaskets. It's metal. And it's good. I think I might have to plug some spots down there. But if I try to drill through the same area, through the new wood that I put in, just drill through where the screws were already in the metal. It wouldn't be too bad to plug up. I don't know. Anyway, yep, back at it.